Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious homemade egg rolls from scratch. We will begin by gathering all our fresh ingredients, ensuring the best possible flavor and texture for our final dish. Next, we will prepare a savory filling, combining finely chopped vegetables with perfectly seasoned meat. Finally, we will make sure we have our egg roll wrappers, the right oil for frying, and a tasty dipping sauce ready to go. Now, let's create the heart of our egg rolls, the filling. First, sauté your preferred ground meat, perhaps pork or chicken, until it is thoroughly cooked through. Then, incorporate finely shredded cabbage, carrots, and any other desired vegetables into the pan. Season this delightful mixture generously with soy sauce, fresh ginger, minced garlic, and a hint of sesame oil for an authentic taste. Continue cooking until the vegetables are tender crisp and all the liquid has completely evaporated. The wrapping technique is crucial for a perfect egg roll. Lay one wrapper flat on your surface, orienting it like a diamond with a corner pointing towards you. Place approximately 2 tablespoons of your prepared filling just below the center of the wrapper. Fold the bottom corner up and over the filling, tucking it in snugly. Next, fold in both side corners, then roll the entire package tightly upwards, sealing the final corner with a little water to secure it. The final step is frying your delicious creations. Heat about 2 inches of vegetable oil in a deep pan to a temperature of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place a few egg rolls into the hot oil, being careful not to overcrowd the pan, which can lower the oil temperature. Fry them for about 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally, until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Drain them on a wire rack and serve immediately with your favorite dipping sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.